Good afternoon and welcome to the Daily Stock Market Update. The DSEX extended its gaining streak for the second consecutive day as it gained 26.48 points or 0.42%, settling at 6,377 points. Market turnover was BDT 9.38 billion, which is an increase of 16.39% compared to the previous trading day. Bank Asia, IFIC Bank, Pubali Bank, Dutch Bangla Bank, Trust Bank and Jamuna Bank from the banking sector, ICB from the NBFI sector and Titash Gas and Desco from the fuel and power sector mainly pulled the market up today. All the sectors gained value today except the pharmaceutical sector that lost 0.19%. On the other hand, the tannery sector registered the highest gain of 2.01%, while the NBFI sector posted the second highest gain of 1.74%. 4 industrial companies and 3 textile companies were among the top 20 gainers today. Meghna Insurance, Intraco Refueling and Navana CNG registered the highest gain, while Grameenphone, Jute Spinners and Sava Refractories were the top losers. Investors exerted buying pressure on Intraco Refueling even though one of the leading dailies reported that BSEC is about to appoint a special auditor to examine the IPO proceeds of the company as the regulatory body suspected anomalies in the proceeds utilization. Grameenphone fell in value today as the telecom regulatory body placed indefinite suspension on its SIM card sales due to the company's failure to provide up-to-the-mark services. There was no disclosed price-sensitive information for these stocks. The trading volume of Meghna Insurance, Navana CNG and Hamid Fabrics increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. There is no publicly disclosed material reason for the volume increase of these stocks. Today's top 2 news. Both cotton price and yen price is declining in the international market due to apparel demand dropping globally amid the Russia-Ukraine war. In order to tame inflation, many countries' governments, like that of Europe and the United States, have increased interest rates which have reduced the purchasing power of people. Expectations of good harvesting in the coming days and global demand drop of apparel have caused cotton import prices to fall by USD 0.30 to USD 0.35 per pound in the last 3 weeks, which will fall further if current scenario continues. However, even if cheaper cotton will reduce the manufacturing cost of apparel producers, apparel demand drop globally will hurt RMG exports in the coming days. Commercial banks settled letter of credit at BDT 99 or higher against the USD as the greenback is traded at rates ranging from BDT 98.5 to BDT 99. Due to increased demand from letter of credit payment settlements, commercial banks are purchasing USD from exchange houses, even though Bangladesh Bank has sold around USD 1.5 billion in reserves. Thus, the demand for dollars increased even more. The banks are facing difficulties as the Bangladesh Bank earlier prohibited banks from charging more than the fixed rate for dollars. That's all for today. We will be back again next week with more updates on Dhaka Stock Exchange. Follow LR Global on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.